Hey everybody! So I'm really excited because my wolf came in from Creatures of Nat. If any of you follow Denali Wind, she recently got a wolf from Creatures of Nat, and I kind of fell in love with all of her creations. So thank you, Denali Wind, for introducing me to Creatures of Nat. And yeah, I'm so excited. This box is so light though, compared to, I don't know why I thought it was going to be heavy, but yeah. I was like, oh no, I hope he's in there. But of course he is, but yeah. Little envelope. Just Creatures of Nat. And you can find her on Etsy and Instagram. Little note. A little bit of information on the creature that I got. Oh, and then this is her business card, so any of you are interested in finding her anywhere, you can find her there. Alright, on to him. I don't even know where to start. He's really big. Oh, I see his face. Oh my gosh. He's amazing! Oh my god, he looks so amazing. Like, he looked amazing online, but in person, he's... oh my god, he's incredible. Oh wow. And he's so fluffy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, he feels amazing. I hope you guys can see this. Look at this tail. Oh my god, my cat is like, what is that? Oh my gosh, he's so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love him. I'm gonna have to make another video later. Oh, I have class and a paper to write and everything, so I can't do much with him right now, unfortunately. But I'm definitely gonna have to make a video later showing you guys him more. So yay! Thank you so much, Creatures of Nat. He is wonderful. So he is absolutely amazing. I'm totally in love with him. And he just feels awesome and he poses awesome. I couldn't be happier with him. So yeah, he sits so like cute, and he lays well, he stands well. He can actually hold a minifee on his back, no problem when he's standing. So yeah, I totally recommend getting one of Creatures of Nat's creations because they are so impressive. Like, he looked cute online, but then seeing him in person, he's just like a million times better and more amazing, and he feels awesome to hold, and this tail is just, it's humongous, it's beautiful. And he's like, he's got stuffing in him, so, you know, you can squeeze him and stuff, and yeah, I'm just really impressed by him. And I love his face. He's very sweet looking. But yeah, so I'll stop rambling now. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit more of him. If you want to see some of the other poses that I did and him with a minifee on his back, you can go to my Instagram or my Flickr, and I posted photos up there So yeah, I totally recommend Creatures of Nat. She does an amazing job with all of her creations, so you should definitely check her out if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye.